Hello students, welcome to Future Stars. I'm your Vedic Maths instructor and our today's topic is universal method in 3 digits. Keep the pen and paper to make notes of it, and my suggestion is to do all the calculations orally as much as possible. So let's start with our first question. Okay, so our first question is 1, 2, 3 into 3, 2, 1. I am taking is more simplified way. Okay, let's start. You have to make 5 blocks. Okay, these blocks are just for your understanding. I keep saying again and again in my videos, so because the end thing is you have to do orally. Okay, all the calculations you have to do orally rather than using pen and paper and making blocks, all the things. Okay, so in the last block you have to multiply last two numbers by each other. Okay, upper and lower number, like 3 into 1 is 3 into 1. Okay, now in the first block again multiply first two numbers by itself, like 1 into 3. Okay, now I'll keep changing my pen so that you can see the steps clearly. I'm writing it over here. This is your fifth, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I wrote down the blocks. Now in the fourth block what you have to do is you have to do the cross multiplication, but between first 4 numbers. Okay, if you haven't watched my universal method in 2 digits, you can go and watch, then you will understand this method more clearly. Okay, so you have to do cross multiplication between the last 4 numbers. So your step will go as 2 into 1 is equals to 2 and 3 into 2 is 6. Fine. Now this is your third block. So in the third block what you have to do is to do cross multiplication between all the numbers. So see it even. Yeah, I'll do it little zoom so that you can see it clearly. Yeah, like 1 into 1. Okay, and 3 into 3. Let me write it down as well. 1 into 1 and 3 into 3. It's 9. Okay, and the last multiplication is between 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Fine. You have to do cross multiplication between the first and last number. Okay, and between the middle numbers. Now moving on to our next step, that is in the second block. It is again easy, is you have to do the multiplication between the first 4 numbers, like 1 into 2 and 2 into 3. Fine. So we will write it down. 1 into 2 is equals to 2 and 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Now you have to add the numbers of respective blocks. So here you will be getting, if you add these numbers you will get 8. If you add all these numbers you will get 14. If you add all these numbers you will get again 8. Okay, write these numbers in the respective blocks. Now you can see I'll erase it is down. Yeah, so here in the fourth block you got 8, in the third block you got 14, in the second block again you got 8. Now I'll write in the simplified way. Write 3, 8, 14, 8 and again 3. You can see that all the blocks are having single digit, but the middle one is having 2 digits. You cannot write 2 digits in one block, so you will carry forward this 1 digit extra into the next block. Okay, So your final answer will be 3, 9, 4, 8, 3. Okay, I hope you understood. I explained it in a very slow manner so that you can see all the steps clearly. I'll explain you one more question so it gets more clear to you. Okay, if you want to take the screenshot or pause the video, you can go further. Okay, let's move on to our second question. Okay, so let's take our second question as 431 into 213. Okay, now again makes 5 blocks. If you have understood, you can go further without making blocks and do it. And who wants to make it more clear can do it with me. Okay, now 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 2 is 8. Now do the cross multiplication between the first 4 numbers. Okay, so 3 plus 3 into 3 is 9, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, now do cross multiplication between the all numbers. So 4 into 3 is 12, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 1. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3. Fine. Now do the cross multiplication between the first 4 numbers. So 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, and 3 into 2 is 6. Now 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. And here you got 10, and here you got again 10, right? You can see it. Fine. So now our final answer will be 3. Write 0, carry the 1 over here. Now 17 plus 1 is 18. Write 8. Again 1 is carried to the next block. Now 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 1 is carried to the next block. And here you got final 9. So 91803 is your answer. Okay, so I hope you understood this method. This will take a lot of practice, but ultimately you can do this faster than a normal mathematic question. Okay, so I'll give you one more question. Try to do it by yourself and pause the video, copy the question, and then I'll make you solve it. 432 into 314. Okay, you can copy the question and pause the video, and then we'll check the answer. Okay, so 4 into 2 is 8. Do the cross multiplication. So 4 plus 3 is 12. I'm doing orally. Okay, try to do orally as I am doing. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Write 4. 1 is carried. Now do cross multiplication again. So 4, 16, plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 16 plus 6 is 22. Now 22. Fine. Now 3 into 1 is 3. Yeah, 3 into 1 is 3. So you got 25. Write 5. 2 is carried. Now do the cross multiplication between the first 4 numbers. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9. 4 into 1 is 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Write 5. 1 is again carried. Now 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So in one line you got the answer of like 6-digit numbers. Okay, 6-digit multiplication you can do in one line. Okay, just you should know the tables, and that too not like 11 to 20. If you know the tables from 1 to 10, that's all for it. Okay, simple multiplication, simple addition, subtraction is there, nothing much you have to do, and in single line you got the answer of 6-digit multiplication. I hope you like the video, and just practice it. Practice makes a man perfect, and that applies in this. So if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I'll answer it. And like, subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest updates of the video. I hope you like the video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.